Hello, my name is Bot, and I will guide you for this 95% accurate bot today. It is composed of 8 strategies that help in auto trading on real account. Before I show you how it works, let me show you some past results of the bot. As you can see, all these results are on real account and on binary, and all of them are 95% accurate. That's my name, BOT SYS, and my Gmail. With $113 in my account, we will trade with these $113 today. All settings are set to binary options. This bot can make up to 50 trades on the basis of the 8 strategies given. It acts as a human being, so it cannot get detected by the IQ option platform, as it can take up to 3-4 hours for 50 trades. I will fast forward it for you.
I've been waiting for the world to spin my way. I've been waiting for a glance at the sun. And I've been waiting for the world to spin my way. I've been waiting for a chance, and I think it's finally come. 'Cause after all, I don't care what they do, and I don't care what they know, and I don't care what they say about me now. 'Cause no one can touch me now. I'm just flying by. Yeah, I'm just flying by, away from them. And no above you, don't care what they're seeing below, 'cause I'm miles above, I'm miles above you. I'm miles above you.
Now it's time to see the trades on our binary account. As you can see, the trades were successful. I will put the bot in description. If you like, you can use it. Comment is disabled to avoid account manager scammers. On my YouTube channel, you can contact me for more details at my Gmail in description.